What should I say today? Maybe it's like Impotent said, maybe I should need to make this comfier. I have a table, a place to welcome everybody. I'll do my best. Baba!
I'm so tired, shit. So I think tomorrow I'll still ganbaru, do my best. But not gonna lie, like, I already feel like my social batteries are draining steadily. I don't want to miss anything though. Should buy something from FUWAWA. Yeah, I don't know, I feel like she probably didn't, I don't really know, but I feel like she probably didn't have much business over the days, and I do want to support the small local businesses. She has literally 0 sales? Bro, that breaks my fucking heart. No! No, I'm gonna cry! Wait. I can't let that stand! I can't sleep like that. I want her to be happy and I want her to have this feeling of, what is this hormone of joy, what is it called again? I know her shop is like right in the beginning here. She even put it right in the front. No, you're kidding. Worth it. Used half my money on her. It tastes so good! Made with so much fluffy love from her, the fluffiest soup I've ever eaten. Ah, a small price to pay for a maiden's smile. Okay, now I feel better. Maybe this is really just where I get the most joy from. I honestly, yeah. Helping others. Yeah, I am a knight. I'm meant to be a knight. I will buy whatever she puts up for sale, as long as it's like a proper meal.